I'm on my way. What is that? Was that you? There's a dog somewhere! I hear a dog somewhere. Oh my god. Where is it? Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Mommy help! Mommy help! Mommy help! Oh my god.
Oh my god! Dad!
Help! 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 Oh my god!
Oh, I just died!
Oh my god!
I tried to save you from zombie dog.
Oh my god! I can't run fast enough! Ah. Oh, oh my god! I'm crying.
Run away from her?
Go away, 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 go away! Go away! Go away, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Oh, I died.
All my enemies be here.
I lost my bow.
Towards my backpack, okay? Because we're both in the same area.
You didn't have much in your backpack.
No, but I had my bow and everything there.
Yeah, so did I.
Well, then we really don't need to go back.
Yeah, yeah. No, the only important thing that I had in my backpack was medicated bandages. Which we can make more of later.
Okay, I'm gonna make another bow then here.